Hello, so today we are going to try to solve this problem, find the kth largest integer in the array. So what this problem says is that we get an array numbers and we get an integer k. Each string in nums represent an integer without leading zeros, okay? So we have something like, so an example of that would be something like this. And when it returns the string, that represents the kth largest integer, okay? Two is the first largest integer and 2 is the second largest integer, okay? So usually these kind of kth largest can be solved with priority queue. So maybe you can just convert and put them in a priority queue and then just remove the element. So just maybe convert to int and add to a max heap, right? And then extract k times, right? So k can be 10 to the power of 4. Okay, yeah, I think this normally should work. So port q, and then here h, and then we say heap q dot heap push, and to h push the reverse, and then of course this would be, will need to be converted to int, and then we will do while k bigger than 0, right? Keep, and then we will do q dot keep path h until it reaches 0, and then we'll return just b, right? So for 4, it would be 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so it should be 3. Okay, so this is actually just bigger. Yeah, we need to convert it to minus, right? And then make it a string. Okay, so the list size can be at most, and we are guaranteed that k is not bigger than the length, and so we can have at most something like this, right? And then we could have 3, or let's say 1. Actually, we can have only 1. Okay, so it works. Let's try to submit. Okay, cool. So that passes. Maybe a different way to handle this. So heap q Python can see if there is a better way. So to a heap in place, yeah. So we need kind of heapify here, so we can do heapify h, heapify, sorry, minus a for a in nums. Yeah, just heapify that list, and this would be int. Okay, so it heaps in place. Okay, so let's say this is h actually, and then we need to just do the q dot heapify h. Okay, cool. And then probably there is a way to get the kth element, I think, and largest. Yep. So we can say heap q pop. We don't need to do all of this, right? We can just do b equal to heap q and then it needs to get past k, which, and then the heap. Oh, okay, so it returns a list of them. So we just need to take with n largest element from the defined by iterable provides specified function. Okay, so we need to get just the last one. Okay, so B is correct. Okay, let me actually just use just these. Okay. So the problem is with this one for 3. Okay, let's see why. Okay, and then we can do just that one for now. We can print both b equal to that, and then we can print also that largest is equal to. Okay. Okay, so with that, actually, we don't need to do -1 because we'll get the largest anyways, right? And so here it says 21, 12, 2, right? And so it's the last one, so it's in the right order, so we want the last one. and we need to just return that value. Except we need to return it as a string just to maintain the initial requirement. And with this it should work. So it's actually just this -1. Okay, remove this, turn this as a string, and this is our solution. Okay. Okay, so this passes. I wonder if there is a way to do it without with strings. So with that we need Heapify to kind of have time. Even string should be right? We shouldn't need to convert it, right? We should be able to just say this and do that without needing to convert to string. Okay, that didn't work. Yeah, that makes sense. Okay. Yeah, I think this is yeah, this is good enough.